It's not here yet, but you can hear it and see it. It's not here yet, just a little bit rain. Listen. Lucy, you're gonna get wet. Get inside your house, it's getting wet. Inside. Oh, it's about to get on. Oh, it's coming. This is so cool, it's barely raining. But it's about to start pouring. Mama kitty. Get up here. Let's get wet. There it is. Oh, you can see it that way too. Oh, this is cool. There it is. They're gonna trap cows trying to get to the dry spot. Lucy got in her doghouse. Whoa, those are such big drops. Oh, these are big. There it is. Wow. Wow. It's getting on the porch. It's getting on the porch. I'm getting a little wet from mist. I'm getting misty wet. Come sit with me, Mama Kitty. Took 3 minutes, or maybe took 5 minutes before it came in.